Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. Being tortured by my dogs behind the shed digging up some... Anyway, so I've got leftover paint and I need to use it, and I think it's the perfect amount to go on this canvas. So what I really want to do, as I record right now is put some gold paint down and just scrape out my container or pour it out. I'm a lot nervous that this won't work, but it might. I think that's probably plenty of paint. I'm putting that aside so I can scrape it off and wipe it down on my Lola-Fee silicone mat. I'm going to do 2 colors additional. I'm going to grab my turquoise, if I can get these edge catchers out from underneath my bottles. That will be helpful. And my turquoise is right here. Yes? Yes. Okay. And no, I have no idea why I just did that. But I learned by experimenting. So I'm going to put my glasses back on. Quick lick a bunny. Bring an edge catcher over. This one is actually usable. So why don't I grab the larger one to put down. If I need to tip something off. I've got all kinds of schmutz on there that can go elsewhere. Why don't we just tip around? You know what else I want in there? I want some orange and some white. And if I want black, I'll put that in too. You know what? In for penny, in for pound. Let's just do it to it and see what we get. Because I like solid areas mixed with the colors. The colors du jour. You never know what you're going to get until you decide to go ahead and give the universe permission to give you something really cool and accidental. And if I don't have enough paint, I've got a perfect color in mind, and that color is the Venetian blue. You squeeze that back over. I really want that Venetian blue. And I think it's right here. Let's put some down there. Hopefully that's not a mistake. Gotta take chances though. You never find out if you don't. Alright. So I'm gonna go up, I think. Rock that, bring it back down again. Gonna let all that, I'm gonna squeeze it and squeeze it and squeeze it some more. Let all that go down and then back. This is an odd one, but it's still kind of cool. I got some colors I really like over there. I could leave some of this paint off, I think. Or I could do what I do sometimes and take it off and put it on another side, which is really appealing to me right at the moment. Right there. Because that's really different and I like it. I don't think I need to do anything else to that I say that, but you can't trust me. Then the universe has to have its way with me at that point. So I'm going to put a little skewer in there and just gently lead that paint. See if there's anything else I might want to do. I have GAC 800 in all of my paint mixtures, which means that I can leave it heavy without worrying that it's going to crack, because that's what the GAC is for. It's to keep it from cracking. That's what GAC is for. Yeah, I feel like a poet. So that is pretty neat. It's kind of simplistic, but it's still pretty neat. And I'm going to torch it and call it good. And I'm going to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I am going to wish that I had scraped up that paint off that turntable, but I think I might still have a minute or two because it's not 99 degrees anymore, and it was all day. Pretty hot under this tent. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to grab my crib sheet so I can remind you guys to give me a thumbs up, please. And I know, you can't trust me when I say I'm done. I just needed a little more of my favorite iridescent. It's called, wow, it's called Purple Flash. It's from Deco-Art. It's a color shift. I got some really sweet little cells and some bigger cells. Some great patterns. I'm glad I added that blue in, even if not very much of it shows. It's still pretty slick. Did I say? If I didn't, I torched to release the bubbles in the paint. Don't get your torch too hot or too close to your painting or you'll cook it. I'm using an artresin.com torch head. It's about 50 bucks. It replaced all 4 of my spent butane torches that never did recover after I tried to bleed them many times in a row and went through tons of butane. So now I go through 1 propane torch tank from the local hardware store for 5 bucks every 4 or 5 months. So I have a link tree underneath my video, and it has Amazon on it. If you shop there at no added cost to you, it helps me out. I have Pinterest and Instagram links there, and Twitter links, and Teespring clothing links. You can find the Teespring on my channel, YouTube channel store. You can also find it underneath the video. You can see pictures of all over print leggings and t-shirts there. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, if you give me a call. If you email me, my email is right below the link tree. So I also sell my artwork. That would be helpful. Look on the end screens for the exhibition video in any given month to see what the next month's prizes will be for those of you who contribute to the studio through PayPal or Patreon. And that exhibition video will be in the last 20 seconds of any video right on those end screens, and you can find that. 1,360 videos I have organized by genre and by the 100, so it's not hard to find what you're looking for. And I have Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, totes, and more for people who want to see what I've been doing on Fine Art America and Pixels.com since 2013. There's like 1,400 items there, all of which it can be another 40. So I love you guys. There's 87,000 of you. Oh yeah, the community board on YouTube has tomorrow's video, and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation also has the video. Usually, most nights, for the next day. So you'll probably find it in the day from the night before. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here. Check out Phoenix Rising, Priscilla Batzell Art for commercial-free YouTube videos until I stop doing the channel anymore. I don't even mind that gray stuff in there. I know this will be metallic tomorrow. It's gorgeous. I don't know what it looks like to you guys. It looks good that way. I like it all directions. I just hope you got to see most of that. You guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you soon. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.